Hello everyone. So today we are going to look at another problem based on our arrays. So in previous some of the videos we talked about what are arrays and how to declare them, and we also talked about dynamic sized arrays, vectors, and we also talked about some basic operations on our fixed size arrays. And in this video we are going to check if an array is sorted or not. Right. So in this video, I'm going to check whether the array is sorted in increasing order or not. Similarly, you can also check whether the array is sorted in decreasing order or not. So you'll get an idea like how to do that question. Okay. So let's see example here. Suppose our array is 8, 12, 15. So we'll check whether the array is sorted. If it is sorted, we'll print yes. Otherwise, we'll print no. Okay. So see here, 8, 12, 15. The array is increasing, right? So it is sorted in the increasing order, so our output is yes. Similarly here, you can see 8, 10, 10, 12. Array is still increasing. See, it is not decreasing here. So 10 and 10, like there can be same numbers. So we won't say that array is not sorted. We will still say that array is sorted. So this would increase, alright. And another question. Okay, I have not written the output here. Let's. Okay, tell me the output. So very clearly the output is going to be no. Alright. Now pause the video and think of the solution for 2 minutes. Okay. So I hope you thought of how can this problem be solved and everything. Okay. Now let's try like what can be the approach here. So see, what we can do is we can use a loop which runs from this number, the second number, till the last number, and we are going to check whether the this number is greater than or equal to its previous number in every loop. And if at any point this condition does not satisfy, we just return the false, or else we'll return true. Okay, so that is the whole idea of this code. So let's try and code this. Let's add a header file. Yes. Name cd. Let's have a main function. Let's have our array as, let's see the second example, 8, 10, 10, 12. Alright, 8, 10, 10, 12. Alright. Now if check for, we'll simply see out yes. Cool. Let's write our check function. Four is the size of the array. It is like common sense, okay? And we have like check function as boolean function, which will return either true or false, right? What we are going to do is simply we are going to run a loop from int I is equal to 1 till I less than n I plus just write if array I is less than array I minus 1, we'll simply return false. Otherwise, we'll return true. Okay, so like how this code is going to work is you went inside the loop and one by one you are checking for every number whether it is, smaller than its previous number. If at any point it is smaller than its previous number, it's simply going to return false. Otherwise, what will happen? Um, I will reach till n minus 1 and then you will break out of this loop, and hence that means that there's no such number which is, the smaller than its previous number, meaning the array sorted, and then we will just simply return true. Alright, so let's try and run it whether it is going to be correct or not. Yes, right, that's what was expected. Let's try third example, 100, 20, 200. Alright, we'll have to change the size to 3 and erase this, and now let's try and run it. No, expected. So that means the code is working, right? So I hope it is clear like what is the meaning of sorted and how to check whether an array is sorted or not. And please understand this code because this code is really going to help in the future. Alright. And I'm going to end this lecture today and see you in the next one.